Okay, we're going to change the display, the control panel in this Economiser electric radiator, and we're going to do that by removing 2 screws here and 2 screws similar at the other end. So let's just go ahead and remove those 2 screws. Okay, so when we've removed those 2 screws at each end, this panel here will just lift off. And if you take a close-up in here, we can see that the control panel is held on by some small nuts here, and then we have the power connections on these terminal strips. So what we're going to do is just remove these connections here. Just for note, you can see that the blue, the neutral, is on this side. The live, the brown wire, is on the middle one, marked L, and this one is like a light brown colour. It's not the earth, it's probably a switched connection. And then these 4 nuts here we're going to remove the board. Just to make a note that the connections here to this terminal strip, the red one is on that side, which is on the left side looking at the board, and the white wire is on the right side looking at the board. So we're just going to remove these 3 and these 2 from the terminal connection before we remove the board. Okay, these screws here are, these little nuts are 5.5 millimeters. So we're just going to undo those with a socket. So this is the control panel that we've removed, which has a damaged glass in the corner, and this is the replacement panel. Okay, so there's the new panel in position, held in location by the 4 5.5 millimeter screws, nuts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and making sure that the thermostat connections here are the right way around, which is the red wire on that left hand side, the white wire on the right hand side, the neutral feed, the blue wire on the terminal marked N, the live feed, which is the brown wire on the terminal marked L, and the switched output on that light brown wire. And there is the new panel in position. So all we have to do now is put this panel back on and fasten it back into position by these 2 screws top and 2 screws at the bottom.